So hi guys, I'm Rangoli Tiwari again. So I'm here taking interview of one of the best students of my college. She is Anshi ma'am, my 4th year senior. Ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Anshi Agarwal and I'm in the 4th year, Law Faculty, Allahabad University, and I have had around 7 moods till now.
So, including intras?
Yeah.
And how many intras, how many nationals?
4 intras and 3 nationals.
Okay, first question. How did you land in mooting?
Because I had always been into oration and elocutions at school, so I was always interested in speaking.
So from first year
yeah,
you took part?
Yeah, I took part in the first intra moot as well. But I had another commitments also so at that time, so I participated. But yes, it was okay for the first time.
Okay, next question. Ma'am, what interests or excites you about mooting?
It gives you a lot to explore into law, as well as it makes you explore different places and people from different colleges, because when you're staying in your college only, you don't get that much of exposure. When you go out, you meet people, you see what they are learning, how they are using the laws, what laws they are reading, because it is not possible in any law school that you are taught every subject there. Like for example, in UPS, I have done one UPS moot. In that, the law was based on energy law. Energy law was in question, and we are not taught energy law in Allahabad University. So we get an exposure that how these laws work, and we get a kind of information as to how to approach these kind of firms, and we want to go into the corporate.
Next question. What skills does mooting build?
It gives you confidence at the most, because when you go in moots, it gives you confidence. It makes you an extrovert. You interact with people, you interact with judges as well, so you get reviews as to how you are, and if you want to litigate in future, it is very important.
Okay. How many tips and advice on mooting? Just like regarding team building, research, how to handle the pressure.
Compatibility is very important between. If you are going with somebody you don't like and you don't like to work with them, there will be more of clashes rather than work. So it's important that team is compatible, and after that the team should be ready to work and be dedicated to a particular moot in order to win it. If you are going just for roaming around the city and having fun, then it's fine, you can go along with your friends. But when you are actually going for a professional purpose, you should see both the aspects, because you cannot even work with somebody whom you don't like, and at the same time if you work with your friends and do only the musty sort of things, and
You're not going to learn anything.
you're not going to achieve anything. You're just going to have fun, and that will be a good experience too, but then again you will get nothing out of that particular mood.
How do you handle the pressure of memo making?
It is a very tedious task, and I have almost never made a memorial myself completely, because I always used to take help from the lawyers and everybody, and it's good to take their viewpoints, because in moots memorial making basically what happens is, when you go to a lawyer, they tell you from their viewpoint of practicalities. They tell you how things actually go in high courts, in district courts, how things actually works, how you write a writ petition. And like here we prepare for that writ petition maintainability issues. For these kind of things, they tell you how a writ petition is being sent to the courts. And here we have to make it all academics. It is more of academical, I believe, that rather than practical.
Then how does that practical thing apply to the mooting part?
Mooting part is basically, see, when you argue the case, that is where the practical part comes in.
I mean the memo making part.
In the memo making, I don't think there's anything too much of practicality, because practical basically आपके arguments ही होते हैं, and when you are making the memorial, it is more of academics involved.
Any interesting experience in moots? Sorry? Any interesting experience in moots? You kind of have to tell, please tell. Anything you can tell.
Every moot is interesting in its own way. For example, I went for my first moot to RMM, and that moot was like, the campus was awesome, and
It is.
and you get a lot of pictures there, obviously. And my second moot was to UPS Dehradun, and there we went to Mussoorie and had fun. So yeah,
I mean, a specific thing that happened, like someone shouted at
I
you.
made 2 friends for lifetime. Yeah, so that was the best experience I've ever had.
Ma'am, what it takes to be a mooter?
Courage, I believe. because your studies are at stake. At the same time, you have to do good in your mood because your reputation is at stake. So yes, it takes a lot of courage to be a part of a mood. And secondly, you have to also to tolerate your team members sometimes.
We know. Is there anything you wish you had done differently?
Yeah, yes, I should have made more. I should have made better teams. I believe I should have opted for better people.
What were your biggest weaknesses regarding mood, and do you think mood helped you to overcome them?
Yeah, my biggest weakness was research because I was very scared of research, and I still am. But yes, to a certain extent, I have overcome that.
What are you most proud of when it comes to mood? Like about yourself. What आपने कुछ improvement देखी अपने में and you're proud that happened to you?
7 Moods showed me the reality of everything, of friends, of life, of law, and how to litigate.
Okay. What would you recommend to someone like me? I've done 2 masters and 2 intras so far.
I have a long way to go.
Any specific thing that I should be doing? Like
Work and have fun, as it is.
उसकी कमी तो नहीं होगी.
I don't think so.
Okay, next question. How would you encourage someone to do a mood?
Basically, I would like to teach them how to research and make a memorial. I think that is the toughest part of a mood. Once your memorial is made and once you are done with the research, I think speaking is just nothing for lawyers.
How would you encourage someone, like someone doesn't want to? How would you encourage, like,
See, we can always encourage somebody by telling them the pros and cons of a mood. And I don't think there are any cons of a mood. There's only just one, I believe. That is, your studies will suffer a bit. But obviously, if you are a student, then it won't be a con.
so in that case,
as
so
well.
I really don't think कि मेरी studies पे कुछ खास negative effect हुआ है.
Because you are
Basically
not
positive.
completely dedicated to it. When you are completely dedicated to a particular mood, your studies will suffer. Trust me, it does. Because I have experienced it and I have seen people also. Like they are working since in the morning and since the morning they are working till night and they are not even attending classes at most of the times. Mostly, yes.
So that was the mistake I was making in my last mood.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, ma'am. Is there any specific quality you should possess to be a mooter?
Again, confidence.
Okay, it's like your 4th year. Ma'am, has there any been a mooter you like, and what did you learn from him or her?
I like Shreya ma'am's movie.
Yes, ma'am, she's awesome.
Yeah,
I know.
because
She was
a brilliant researcher, a magnificent speaker, and a great scholar, I think.
Okay, any specific thing you learned from her?
The kind of humility she brings in when she
Yes,
speaks,
ma'am.
she's very
She's
humble,
very
she's very submissive to the judge, and the way she speaks and portrays herself as a lawyer, I think it is she's an ideal.
Being submissive to
Being
her?
submissive means that you are like very humble. Like what they're saying, they're listening to them, what they're speaking, what they want to asking, what to ask right now from us. So that way she is very good.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, how did you feel when I told you about the interview?
I thought it is a task to be done now before the exams.
Okay, ma'am. Would you say you lacked confidence before and now you've improved upon it?
See, I won't lie. To be honest, I had always been on stage since I was in class prep. So that was there was nothing sort of a confidence issue with me. But I had this research issue, which I have already told you. So that was overcome by me.
Ma'am, any final word, any other thing you would like to tell to a non-mooter?
Keep moving.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.